Hey guys, as you can tell, today's going to be a little different. I actually have a doctor's appointment to go to, so I have videotaped my lesson just in case when it's your class time, you're not missing any instruction. All you got to do is watch this video and follow along. So, like always, we're going to start. Sorry guys. We're going to start with Clipboard Math 930. Clipboard Math link under week 7. Today's date 9:30. When you open it up, it looked like this. Make sure you have your name and your homeroom teacher. If you need to pause this video, you can, so you can make sure you're caught up. Okay, first question. Sal and his mom are planting flowers. Sal can plant 4 flowers each minute. His mom can plant 6 flowers each minute. After 20 minutes, how many more flowers has his mom planted than Sal? Oh, I just clicked the wrong button. Okay, so 4 flowers every... Silly thing. Okay. 4 flowers every 6 minutes, or each. That keyword each tells me I'm multiplying. So for Sal, I'm going to need to say 4 times 20 and get the answer of how many flowers he planted in 20 minutes. And then Mom, 6 flowers each minute. So I'm going to take 6 times 20 and see how many flowers Mom can plant in 20 minutes. So once I get how many flowers they can plant in 20 minutes, I need to answer my question. How many more flowers has his mom planted than Sal? So how many more is a subtraction? So 3 steps. Step 1, find out how many flowers Sal can make in 20 minutes. Step 2, how many flowers his mom can plant in 20 minutes. And step 3, subtract Sal's mom from Sal. If you need more time to solve this problem, press pause. If you're ready to move on, hit play. Ken reads 2 chapters of his book each day. Lisa reads 3 chapters of her book each day. Which order pair represents how many chapters they each will have read in 4 days? Well, if I look at this question, it has ordered pairs. So you know if I see an ordered pair over on the side, I'm drawing that T-chart. And I have X and I have Y. Ken's rule is to add 2. Lisa's rule is to add 3. So figure out your form. 2, 4, 6. On Lisa's side, 3, 6, 9. I need you to tell me how many chapters they will have read in 4 days. Press pause if you need more time. If not, let's keep on trucking. Oh, this one's easy. You got this. 6,578 times 9. Alright guys, once you have finished your clipboard math, head on over to your Google Classroom. And in my Google Classroom, under classwork, the very first thing you should see is volume quiz. When you click on that, real big, it says, do not take this quiz if you have not watched my video. Well, you're watching my video now. Ha. And then it says, do not take this quiz unless you are in class with me. That's for you, second block. Don't be taking this test without me. So, click on this quiz and let's get started. I'm going to talk you through your quiz today since I'm not there. So, first thing is your name. Next thing is, who's your homeroom teacher? The best teacher in the world. Okay. Click next. First sets of questions are vocabulary words. First one, What is used to measure volume? Is it a plane figure, a cubic unit, a solid figure, a rectangular prism, or volume? What is used to measure volume? Next question. If you need to pause, you sure can, and then play as you are ready to go. A solid figure with 6 rectangular faces. Is that a rectangular prism? They have matching words. A plane figure, a solid figure, a cubic unit, or volume. And then the last vocabulary question, the amount of space inside a solid figure. The amount of space inside a solid figure. Is that rectangular prism, cubic unit, plane figure, solid figure, or volume? The next part of the questions you're answering are finding the volume using the unit cubes. Okay, first question. Which expression can be used to find the volume of the rectangular prism? How do I find volume? What is that special formula? Okay, I remember the formula. I need to take this, I'm not going to say the word, and multiply it by this, and then multiply it again by this. So I need to look down here and see which one can work. There may be even more than one answer, so you just need to pick one. What formula could I use to solve this volume? When you select your answer, if you click next and you see finding the volume with unit cubes revisited, that means you got it wrong the first time, but I'm giving you a second chance to answer it. If you get this answer correct, you are going to move along to the next question. The next question is, what is the volume of this box? What is the volume of this box? Remember what your formula is. If you get this answer incorrect, you will be given a second chance at solving this answer. Next question is finding volume using formula. All right, so this one doesn't have a box, but it is telling you the dimensions. So a flute case is the shape of a rectangular prism. The case is 5 inches tall, 3 inches wide, and has a volume of 255. What is the length? Oh, this question's not asking you what the volume is. It's already giving you the volume. So this means I kind of got to work backwards. I need to do the opposite. Let's see how many of you get this question correct the first time without having to go to the revisited form. The next question is a volume word problem. Jen has 2 boxes. Box A has the dimensions of a 6 by 5 by 9. So go ahead and solve for box A. Box B has the dimensions of a 4 by 10 by 7. Go ahead and solve and find the volume for box B. The question says, which box holds more? So 3 steps. Step 1, find the volume for box A. Step 2, find the volume for box B. Step 3, which box holds more? Next question. Which expression can you use to find the volume of this composite figure? You know what's funny? Pretty sure if you were paying attention in class the other day, we did this problem together. We split this box straight down, and we had a 3 by 9 by 2, and this box had its very own dimensions because when we split this box in half, we had to figure out what that missing length was. I hope you were paying attention in class and get this one right on the very first time. The very last question is an extra credit question. So you have the option to try this question and get a possible 10 points. Or you can skip it. So if you don't even want to try, you just want to hit submit, hit submit. If you do try and you don't get the answer right, no points are going to be taken away. But if you do try and your teacher can see that you worked this problem out somehow, you may get a few extra credit points. You might not get the full 10 points, but you will get some extra credit points. So here's the question. Lainey builds a tower with wooden cubes. The bottom is 8 centimeters long. The middle is 2 centimeters shorter than the bottom. The top is 2 centimeters shorter than the middle. So instead of using the words like width and height, they've used the words middle and top. It says, what is the total volume of this cube in towers? Or what is the volume? I hope you do well on your quiz. When you are finished with this quiz, there's one more thing you need to check on. Once you hit submit on your quiz and you got your score, I hope you're happy with it. The last thing you need to do in math class today is very easy. In Miss Hawksworth's 5th grade class page, under the stream, I have posted this little capture picture, and it says check to make sure you're not missing any work. So if you click on this picture, all these names pop up. These are people that are missing some assignments. So your iReady lesson 26, build a rectangle, the clipboard maths from last week. This is all last week's work. If your name is on any of these, you need to get to work on them. These are going to be due tomorrow. So if your name is up here, you need to work on these. If your name is not on these, you are free and clear and done with math. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.